So the ILS run I did last time wasn't too bad. I did make some errors. I had a few communication issues where I believe that one plane I said Bravo Victor Echo for some reason because I was looking at the other plane that I wanted to send down Echo, and I don't know, that one might be on me. I didn't remember when I was looking through the footage to verify. There was a few issues with planes routing on their own.
1176 requesting push and start.
And some issues with some planes specifically landing up here where I was ahead of my commands. They were exiting on Charlie. I was going to tell them to go down Bravo Victor Foxtrot and then hold short of Charlie down here. Instead, they parked on the runway, so that's a my bad. I ended up having to delete them to avoid a wreck, and I still ended up with some other issues. But all that aside, I'm going to do a shorter video this time just because I want to see and kind of validate how well the two runways here work in the configuration that I did previously so often. It's not a normal configuration. This is not how they would normally run the airport. And the reason it works so well here is because I'm removing a whole lot of hassle out of my life by not having to move them north and south around the airport. But this is totally not right. So I only wanted to do this once, and then I'll do another ILS configuration next time. So Delta 1176, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. Delta 1250, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right, cleared to land.
And there's a few things that this will also allow me to do, because I still can push all the planes across, and I can still use M2, and I can bring other planes from different areas across the airport, so I shouldn't have quite as many issues. So if any planes are trying to pull down here, I can potentially send these guys out a different area and not have to worry about quite as much. I just got to pay attention again to the planes that move south, although I'm pretty good at watching for that now. All right, let's get this ramped up and get a couple planes in here.
Tower, Delta 1808 requesting push and start.
Delta 1808, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground, Delta 1176 ready to taxi. Ground, Nightmare left pushback approved. Delta 1808. Tower, Delta 2425 with you.
Delta 1176, continue taxi.
Continue taxi.
Delta 2425, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right, cleared to land. Delta 2425.
Delta 1176, runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Get out of here.
Nightmare left, climb to 1000 on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 1176. Ground, Delta 1808 ready to taxi.
Delta 1808, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Delta 1808.
Most of the planes when going this way decide to avoid Lima, which is very helpful so that they can just get out there. And I think that might be some of how the airport normally runs, so planes coming into the apron off of these runways can just come up Lima. But I'm not entirely sure that. It makes sense because that way they can come up Lima and take Delta across or whatever they need to do. Delta 115, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. And that might be why going that way they always hit that, but I'm not positive.
Delta 168 with you, runway 8 right.
Delta 1682, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right, cleared to land. Delta 1682.
Still a little slow. We should start getting hit here soon, though. AC 5348, pushback approved, expect a runway 9 left.
Ground, Nightmare left, pushback approved. AC 5348. Tower, Delta 1310 with you, runway 8 left. Ground, Delta 115 ready to taxi.
Well, you're gonna have to wait, because I need a picture of this guy. That's a big Virgin plane.
Delta 2064 requesting push and start.
Alright, let's get some planes moving here. Delta 1310, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Runway 8 left.
Delta 2064, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground, Nightmare left.
Delta 115, continue taxi.
2064. Continue taxi. Delta 115. Tower, Delta 536 with you, runway 8 right.
AC 5348, runway 9 left at Mike 2.
Ground, AC 5348 ready to taxi. Runway 9 left at Mike 2, AC 5348.
Delta 1250, taxi to apron via Echo.
Tower, United 15906 requesting push and start. Taxi to apron via Echo. Delta 1250.
Alright, here we go.
Tower, Southwest 2789 requesting push and start.
United 15906, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. Delta 536, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right.
Southwest
clear to land,
2789er,
Delta
pushback approved,
536.
expect runway 9er left.
Ground, Nightner left pushback approved. Southwest 2789er. Ground, Nightner left pushback approved. United 15 Nightner
Interested to
6.
see if those two will
Tower,
conflict.
Delta 852 with you, runway 8 left.
Delta 852, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Runway 8 left cleared to land, Delta 852.
You're coming through the trees.
Tower,
Pull
Hazel
up,
5548,
pull
requesting
up.
push and start.
Terrain, terrain. You're dead. AC 5548, pushback approved, expect runway 9er left. And the
Ground,
routing issue
Nightner
I
left
was
pushback
afraid
approved.
of. I
Hazel
called it.
5548. Tower,
Stupid
Delta
planes.
1778 requesting push and start.
I could have held them, but I really was
Delta
curious because
1808.
they don't always do that, and it's impossible to know if they're actually going to. Delta 1778, pushback approved, expect runway 9er left.
Ground, Nightner left
Delta
pushback
2425,
approved.
taxi to apron via Echo.
1778. Tower,
Delta
85,
2425, taxi to apron via
runway 8
Delta.
right. Taxi to apron via Delta 2425.
Ooh. AC 5242, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right cleared to land, AC 5242. Ground, Southwest 2789er ready to taxi.
Delta 2064, continue taxi. Southwest 2789er, continue taxi.
Continue taxi.
United
Southwest
15906,
2789er.
continue taxi.
Continue taxi United 159er 6.
Delta 1535, pushback approved, expect runway 9er left.
Continue taxi
A bit of
Delta
a lag on that
2064.
input.
Tower, Delta 1537 requesting push and start. Ground, Delta 206.
Delta 709er, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Runway 8 left clear
Delta
to land,
1537,
Delta
pushback
209er.
approved, expect runway 9er left.
Ground, Nightner left pushback approved. Delta 1537. Ground, United 15 6 ready.
Be
to
awesome if you guys would start moving.
Delta 709 with you, runway 8 left. Ground, AC
Delta 1808,
5548,
runway
ready to
9er left,
taxi.
line up and wait. AC 5348, runway 9er left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 9 left climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure cleared for takeoff, AC 5348.
Delta 1778, continue taxi.
Runway 9 left line up and way, Delta 180.
AC 5548, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 1778. Continue taxi AC 5548. Ground, Delta 1778 ready to taxi. Tower, Delta 2451 with you, runway 8 right.
Delta 1682, taxi to apron via Echo.
Tower, Spirit Wings 770 requesting
Spirit
push.
Wing 770, pushback approved, expect runway 9er left.
Negative. Delta 1682. Ground,
What?
Nightner left pushback approved. Spirit Wings
Delta
770.
1682, taxi to apron via Echo.
Ground, Delta 1537.
Delta 2451, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via Echo Delta 1682.
Delta 1537, continue taxi.
Runway 8 right cleared to land, Delta 2451.
See if that causes a
Continue taxi
crash.
Delta 1537. Tower, Delta 29er with you, runway 8 left.
Delta 29er, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Runway 8 left cleared to land, Delta 29er.
Delta 2064, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 2064. Tower, Delta 177.
Geez, I've
requesting
told
push
you
and
guys
start.
to move.
Continue
This is
taxi
really
United
bad
159er
tonight.
6. Continue taxi United 159er 6. Tower, AC 5209er requesting push and start.
Delta 1808, runway 9er left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 177, pushback approved, expect runway 9er left. AC 5209er, pushback approved, expect runway 9er left.
Ground, Nightner left pushback approved.
Really, are you two gonna crash? Because it certainly looks like you're having some issues there.
Runway 9 left climb to 1000.
Wow, you
on
actually
reaching
waited.
Contact departure cleared for takeoff. Delta 1808. Tower, Delta 755 with you. Runway 8 right. Ground, Spirit
Delta
Wings
755, runway 8 right,
taxi.
cleared to land. Spirit Wing 770, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Spirit Wings 770.
AC 5548, runway 9er left, at Mike 2.
Runway 8 right, cleared to land Delta 755.
Delta 1778, runway 9 left at Mike 2.
Runway 9 nerd left at Mike to AC 5548. Runway 9 nerd left at Mike to Delta 1778.
Delta 536, taxi to apron via Echo.
Tower, Delta 80.
Delta 1310, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via Echo Delta 536.
Delta 590, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via Bravo
Delta
Victor
804,
Foxtrot 1310.
pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground, Nightner left, pushback approved. Delta 804. Runway 8 left, cleared to land Delta 590.
You ready yet? Delta 177, continue taxi.
Tower, Delta 590 with you, runway 8 left.
AC 5209er, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Delta 177. Continue taxi AC 5209er.
Delta 804, pushback approved.
Ground,
Already
AC
did that
5209er,
one.
ready
Pay
to
attention.
taxi. Ground, Delta 177 ready.
Delta
to taxi.
685, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground, Nightner left, pushback approved. Delta 685. Tower, Delta 685 requesting push and start. Tower, AC 5183 with you, runway.
Southwest
8 right.
2208, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Tower, Southwest
AC
2208,
5183,
push and
runway
start.
8 right, cleared to land.
Ground, Nightner left, pushback approved. Southwest 2208.
United 1596, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Runway 8 right, clear to
Actually,
land AC 5183.
United 1596, runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 9 left,
Delta
climb up
2064,
and
runway
wait.
9 left, line up and wait. Delta 2064, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Runway 9 left, line up and wait. Delta 2064.
Delta 852, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor.
Runway 9 left, climb to 1000
Delta
on reaching
804,
contact
continue
departure,
taxi.
cleared for takeoff. United 159
Delta 2372, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Delta 852. Runway 8 left, cleared to land Delta 2372. Continue taxi Delta 804. Ground, Delta 804 ready to taxi.
AC 5548, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Tower, Delta 2372 with you, runway 8 left. Runway 9 left, line up and wave. AC 5548. Tower, Delta 2081 requesting push and start. Tower,
We about to have
Delta
another
1138
crash.
requesting push and start.
Think we are. Oh,
Tower,
that's
Delta
close.
69 with you, runway 8 right.
Oop, what
Continue
about
taxi
here?
Delta 177.
Wow, you were fast enough to get in there. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Holy cow. Delta 2081, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground, Nightner left.
Delta
pushback.
695, runway 8 right, cleared to land. Delta 1138, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Runway 8 right, cleared to land.
AC
Delta
5548,
695.
runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Ground, Nightner left. pushback
Southwest
approved.
2208, continue
Delta
taxi.
1138. Runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Delta 17902,
5548.
pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Continue taxi Southwest.
Delta
220.
72, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Ground, Nightner
Delta
left,
25, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
2. Runway 8 left, cleared to land Delta 72.
AC 5242, taxi to apron via Echo.
Ground, Nightner left.
Delta
pushback
709er, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta.
Taxi to apron via Echo AC 5242.
Delta 2451, taxi to apron.
Taxi to apron via Bravo
Delta
Victor
2451,
Foxtrot
taxi
Delta
to apron via
709.
Echo.
Taxi to apron Delta 2451. Taxi to apron via Echo Delta
Where are
2451.
you?
Ground, Southwest 2208 ready to taxi. Tower, Delta 179 to requesting push and start.
Delta 12907, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Tower, Delta 25
Delta
requesting
2064,
push and
runway
start.
9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Ground, 9 left,
Southwest.
climb to 1000 on reaching contact.
Southwest
departure, cleared for
2789er, runway 9 right.
Ground, Nightner left,
Spirit Wing
pushback.
770, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Runway 9 left,
Delta
Delta
1778, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Runway 9 left,
Southwest 2244, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right, cleared to land Southwest 2244. Runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Delta
Spirit
1792, runway
772.
9 left at Mike 2.
Tower, Delta 772,
Delta
runway
2081, continue taxi.
Runway 9
Delta 25, runway 9 left at Mike 2.
Runway 9 left at Mike 2 Delta 25. Continue taxi Delta 2081. Ground Delta 2.
Delta 1778, runway 9 left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Tower Delta 1.
Southwest 2789er, runway 9 right, line up and wait.
Runway 9 left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure.
Delta 29er, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Runway 9 right.
Delta 755, taxi to apron via Echo.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta 29. Taxi to apron via Echo Delta 75.
Delta 685, continue taxi.
Tower Southwest 2244 with you.
Delta 1138, runway 9 left at Mike 2.
Continue taxi Delta 685.
Delta 1138, runway 9 left at Mike 2.
Unable to take off from this runway.
AC 5332, runway 8 left, cleared to land.
Runway 9 left at Mike 2 Delta 1138. Runway 8 left, cleared to land. AC 5332.
Southwest 2789er, runway 9 right, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Ground Delta 25 ready to taxi. Runway 9 right, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Southwest 2789er. Ground Delta 179 to ready to taxi.
Delta 1115, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground
Delta 64, runway 8 right, cleared to land. Spirit Wing 770, runway 9 left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 177, runway 9 right. Delta 177, runway 9 right. AC 5209er, runway 9 left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 1537, runway 9 left, line up and wait. Delta 504, runway 8 left, clear to land. Delta 590, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot. Delta 1297, runway 9 left at Mike 2. Delta 1199er, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta
Ground
590.
collision alert. Yep, another
Ground,
bunch of idiots.
left, pushback approved.
Go
Delta
ahead.
119er.
Delta 67, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Runway 9 left, line up and way. Delta 15.
Delta 177, runway 9 right, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Ground 9 left, pushback approved. Delta 67. Runway 9 right, climb to
Spirit
1000,
Wings
on
941,
reaching,
pushback
contact
approved,
departure,
expect
cleared
runway
for
9
takeoff.
left.
Delta 177. Continue taxi Delta 179 2. Ground 9 left, pushback approved. Spirit Wings 941. Runway 8 right, cleared to land. Delta 6.
Whatever.
Ground 9 left, pushback approved. Delta 1115. Tower.
You
AC
better
5,
begin rolling,
with
dude.
you, runway
I'm gonna get an aerial separation error here. There you go. Come on, roll it.
Tower. Delta 64 with you, runway 8 right. Tower.
AC
Delta
5183, taxi to apron via
push and
Echo.
start. Taxi to apron via Echo. AC 5183. Ground Delta 1297 ready.
Putting
to
on some
taxi.
exhaust there, buddy.
Tower. Delta 11999 requesting push and start.
Yeah, I'm gonna get an
Tower.
aerial
Delta
separation here.
504 with you,
Delta
runway
2272, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Tower.
Delta
6,
2372,
7,
taxi to
push and
apron
start.
via Bravo Victor Foxtrot.
Taxi to apron via
Delta
Bravo
67,
Victor
continue
Foxtrot,
taxi.
Delta 2372. Continue taxi Delta 67.
Delta 1199er, continue taxi.
Runway 8 right. clear
AC
to land,
5192,
Delta
pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Continue taxi Delta 11999. Ground
Another
9
one.
pushback
Holy
approved.
cow, these
KC
planes are
519.
bad.
Tower. Spirit Wings 941 requesting push and
Delta 1537, runway 9 left, climb to 1000, on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Tower. Delta 227.
Delta 1792, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Runway 9
Southwest
left,
2208, runway 9
reaching
right.
contact departure cleared for takeoff.
Delta
1537.
804, runway 9 left, line up and wait.
Runway 9 left line up
Southwest
and way.
365,
Delta
runway 8 left, clear to land.
Runway 8 left cleared to land. Southwest 365.
Delta 131, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Runway 9
Delta
right,
1525,
Southwest
pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. Delta 1442, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. Delta 1946, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. Brickyard 4738, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right cleared to land. Brickyard 4738.
Delta 1053, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left.
Ground.
Delta 17902, runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Ground. Left.
Southwest 2208, runway 9 right, climb to 1000 on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on
Delta
reaching,
804, runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Now that's going to cause a separation error, I'm sure. I really am not worried too much about that right now. Spirit Wings 9041, continue taxi. Mostly what I'm using is just showing off the different aspects of utilizing the 3 entry points right now and how much it can help. Delta 804, hold position.
Ground. Left push back approved. Delta 1525. Hold position Delta 804. Ground.
I told him to hold position. See, yeah, I knew it would happen and that's fine. I planned on it, but that's dumb. That's dumb. Delta 965, taxi to apron via Echo. Delta 1115, continue taxi. Delta 72, taxi to apron via Bravo Victor Foxtrot Delta. Delta 1603, pushback approved, expect runway 9 left. Delta 25, runway 9 left, climb to 1000 on reaching, contact departure, cleared for takeoff. Delta 685, runway 9 right. Delta 2081, runway 9 left, line up and wait. So, these two are going to have a problem. Guaranteed. They're both way too close. Well, he left first, so that might not be too bad. Yeah, that should be counting against me, honestly. I'm surprised it's not. Huh. Anyway. Delta 1053, continue taxi. Delta 1603, continue taxi. AC 5192, continue taxi. Delta 1525, continue taxi. Alright, I think I've shown what I intended to here. Be quiet, computer. I need the map. Pause it. Nope, that's moving. Alright, so basically what I wanted to show was the entry and exit on and off the runway there, and how this style does remove a lot of the issues. Now granted, I had planes driving into each other right and left there, and that was dumb, and this pilot would have listened to me and aborted his takeoff, but again, my fault for clearing him. I knew it was going to happen, so I knew a lot of those mistakes were coming. That wasn't really the point of this. The point was to show that we've seen a lot of suggestions and a lot of good suggestions, a lot of good feedback for using these 2 runways. And when you kind of mix it all together, you have an ability to move a lot of airplanes. I really never had a line of airplanes waiting here. I was using this one to get that off, pushing that one across, the next one would take off, this one would take off, the next one would line up and take off, another one would come in on M2 and go. So you really have a way to really fire down all the runways, and you never have a traffic jam. So the first time I did it, I was taxiing 4 planes across, and it worked really well. This takes that to the next level by reducing those last few planes here, moving them to M2, moving this one across, and then just continual flow. It really allows you to just basically non-stop move those planes without any delay. And it works really well overall. But again, this is really not the right configuration for the airport. So I want to do it again using ILS, and I may bring runway 10 in for some extra arrivals, just for giggles, to see how well it works. Probably not going to see it. I'm really torn on it because there's so much traffic coming in. You've seen the planes, the way they're stacked. I don't know if I'm going to have time to move airplanes across this southern runway. So I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. I'm tinkering with it, but I don't think I'm going to. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We're going to continue on. We've, in the previous video, we kind of got this one, quote-unquote, asterisk successful. So I want to move on to the next time frame. Then we'll skip over the 7 p.m. period that I already did at the start of this series a lot. And we'll run into the last few videos for this day and jump back into LAX. So thank you guys for watching. I know this one was a little short and a little more screwy, but I just wanted to show how you can really utilize those 2 runways down there with all that we've learned over the last, I don't know, 5-10 videos. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.